If you've ever run a review session in a classroom in the last decade, you've almost certainly used Kahoot or seen students light up over Blooket's collectible characters. Both platforms turn quiz content into a game, but they take genuinely different approaches. And picking the wrong one for your specific situation can mean the difference between a class that's fully engaged and one that's checked out halfway through. In this video, what each platform actually is, a full feature comparison, the honest pros and cons of both, the real pricing breakdown, and exactly which one you should reach for depending on whether you're running a live classroom session, assigning homework, or just doing review at home. Let's get into it. What are they? Kahoot launched back in 2013 and has since recorded over 10 billion cumulative participants across more than 200 countries. It's the platform most people picture when they think classroom quiz game. It runs a single quiz show format. Everyone answers the same question at the same time. Points are awarded based on speed and accuracy, and a live leaderboard tracks the competition after every question. Blooket arrived later in 2019 and has grown to nearly 5 million registered users. Instead of one format, it applies your questions set across more than 15 different arcade-style game modes: tower defense, gold rush, cafe simulation, racing, and more, with collectible characters called blooks that students work toward unlocking. The core philosophical difference: Kahoot is built around live, synchronized competition. Blooket is built around variety and individual engagement, whether that's live in a classroom or completely solo at home. Features comparison. Game format. Kahoot uses one format, a time quiz show with a shared leaderboard. Blooket rotates your same question, set through many different game modes, so review can feel fresh even after using it repeatedly with the same class. Solo and at-home use. This is a clear differentiator. A student playing Kahoot alone is just answering time questions with no audience. Reviewers consistently note the novelty fades within a few weeks of solo use. A student playing Blooket alone is actively working toward unlocking blooks and progressing through a game mode, which sustains attention far better without classmates present. Live classroom energy. Here, Kahoot has the edge. The shared leaderboard, countdown music, and real-time rankings after each question generate a kind of momentum that solo-friendly game modes don't fully replicate. For a focused 20-minute review before a test, Kahoot is widely considered the stronger live classroom tool. Beyond quizzes, lessons, and homework, Kahoot supports structured lessons and homework assignments alongside quizzes, which Blooket does not. Blooket is more purely focused on the game layer. If you want one tool that handles both assigned work and review games, that matters. AI question generation. Both platforms have shipped free AI tools recently. Blooket paired with Khan Academy's Khanmigo to offer free, uncapped AI-generated question sets as of January 2025. Kahoot's own free AI expanded to 70 languages in May 2026, about 16 months after Blooket's AI feature launched. Analytics and reporting. Kahoot provides a broader overview of overall class performance, useful for administrators or standards tracking. Blooket's data leans more toward individual student progress, useful at the student level, less so for a bird's-eye class view. Customization. Blooket generally offers more game customization options, while Kahoot offers more flexibility specifically in how quizzes themselves are built and run. The pros. Kahoot pros. Massive proven track record. Over 10 billion participants globally. Best-in-class live classroom energy through its shared leaderboard and real-time competition. Supports structured lessons and homework, not just games. Stronger, more detailed class-level analytics and data exports. Recently expanded free AI question generation to 70 languages. Blooket pros. Far more generous free tier. Most game modes, question sets, and hosting tools are available without paying. Genuinely superior for solo or at-home use, thanks to the Blooks collection system and game variety. 15+ game modes keep repeated review sessions from feeling stale. Simpler, single-tier pricing structure. Setup takes under a minute. Pick a set, choose a mode, start playing. That's the strong side of each. Now here's where both platforms show real weaknesses. The cons. Kahoot cons. The free tier has become significantly more limited over the years. Personal sessions are capped at just 10 players, and school sessions at 40 when most classrooms run 25 to 35 students. Pricing tiers split across individual, school, and district levels, with features that aren't always clearly listed at each tier. Some users report button sensitivity issues and an unclear subscription structure. Feels repetitive faster than Blooket for students who've played it many times. Blooket cons: tests knowledge but doesn't actually teach it. Post-game reports show where a student struggled, but there's no built-in remediation to close that gap. Overemphasizes gamification and entertainment, according to some reviewers, at the expense of deeper learning. Lacks Kahoot's structured lesson and homework assignment features. Less developed real-time interaction system compared to Kahoot's live messaging and alerts. A shared limitation worth noting: neither platform has added spaced repetition functionality, meaning neither one is specifically built to help a student actually remember a question 3 weeks later. Both are review and engagement tools, not long-term retention systems. Both platforms also carry the same 2.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot, with common complaints on both sides centering around similar concerns, reinforcing quick recall over deep understanding. Pricing breakdown: Kahoot, free basic plan available. Kahoot, plus start, $3.99 per month per teacher. Kahoot, plus Premier, $7.99 per month per teacher. Kahoot, plus Max, $9.99 per month per teacher, discounted from $12.99. School and district plans start around $12.49 per month per teacher, with the per-teacher price dropping as more teachers are added. Blooket, free starter plan, generous enough to cover classes of up to 60 students. Plus Flex, from $9.99 per month, unlocking all Plus features in a single, simpler tier. The math looks different depending on your situation. For a single teacher with around 30 students, Kahoot's cheapest usable paid tier runs roughly $121 a year, while Blooket's free tier alone already covers a class that size, with AI question generation included at no cost through the Conmigo integration. Who should use which? Best for live classroom energy and quick review sessions. Kahoot. Nothing matches its shared leaderboard and real-time competitive format for a focused, synchronized session. Best for younger students, K to 8 classrooms. Blooket. The character collection and game variety create sustained engagement that a straight quiz format struggles to match at that age. Best for solo or at-home practice. Blooket clearly. The progression system gives students something to work toward even without classmates competing alongside them. Best for structured lessons and homework, not just games. Kahoot. It's the only one of the two built to handle assigned work alongside quizzes. Best for a tight or non-existent budget. Blooket. Its free tier is significantly more generous, covering larger classes and most core features without payment. Best for corporate training or large-scale events. Kahoot. Its scale, reliability, and analytics are built with larger, more formal settings in mind. So that's Blooket versus Kahoot. Kahoot wins on live classroom energy, scale, and structured lesson support, while Blooket wins on variety, solo engagement, and value on a tight budget. Plenty of teachers actually use both. Kahoot for a quick warm-up, Blooket for a longer review session later that same week, since both have workable free tiers. Links to both are in the description. And if you found this comparison useful, hit subscribe. I break down tools like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.